Hello everyone, konnichiwa, I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we are going to make green peas onigiri. Green peas onigiri is what we usually eat at home. I'm sure it's hard to find green peas onigiri at convenience stores and supermarkets. I usually make green peas onigiri for picnic, especially in spring season. But I like to make green peas onigiri whenever I feel like eating it. The taste of green peas, salt, and steamed Japanese rice is just simple and amazing. So I want to share today. And aside with green peas onigiri, I also want to introduce the grilled salmon with miso onion sauce. It's very simple, and if you have miso in your fridge, I think it's a good chance to use it. Then I'll decorate a Japanese set meals for breakfast. During this video, I'll introduce useful cooking techniques and ideas. So please watch until the end. And as always, my furry family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining. Luigi is watching me, but Mario is already asleep. Are you getting hungry? Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So green pea onigiri and grilled salmon with miso onion sauce is ready. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. I'll start with green pea onigiri. The saltiness is just perfect. Japanese rice is very fluffy and green peas are very chunky. The good harmony. The green peas splashes in my mouth. Now let's try grilled salmon with miso onion sauce. I can taste miso flavor just a little bit in a miso sauce. And miso and spring onion is good match as well. Since we used unsalted salmon, so the saltiness is perfect. And this is a Japanese omelette with hijiki salad inside. I introduced hijiki salad in another video. If you're interested in, please check it out. If you make like this, children can eat with using hands. So I recommend. And this is a pickled tomato with onion. ごちそうさまでした. Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip to make a green pea onigiri. I like a little bit crunchy, so I usually boil for 5 minutes. And tip, when you make the green pea onigiri for children, boil and then take out the peel with using finger one by one. Yeah, I know it takes time, but I recommend. Then please cut into small pieces. It's easy for children to enjoy green peas. And tip, if you have a burner, it may be good to burn the surface of the miso sauce, and it adds good smoky flavor to the sauce. So those are the tips and recommendations. I hope this video helps you to plan daily meals. Would you like to learn more about Japanese food and culture and family life? Please join our mailing list. To sign in, please go to my website yjc.tokyo, yjc.tokyo. Pop-up screen comes up, so please type your email address and name and click. And that's it. How was the video? If you want more salmon recipe and onigiri video, please hit the like buttons. Thank you for watching everyone. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye! またね